Today I went for a brown smoky eye, so I'm going to be showing you step by step how to achieve it. If that interests you, then just keep on watching. With an eyeshadow brush, I'm picking up a dark brown shade. Now I'm applying it all over my lid, and I'm going to be taking it up towards my crease. With a blending brush, I'm picking up a lighter brown shade. I'm applying that lighter brown shade towards my crease and just blending those two colors together. I'm going for more of a gradient look from darker to light. Keep blending until I'm happy with the result. With a pencil brush, I'm picking up that dark brown shade that we used on our lid. I'm focusing on applying this color on my outer third lower lash line. Whatever's left on the brush, I bring it towards my inner eye. I'm picking up that light brown shade again. With the same technique, I'm just blending those two colors together. Now with a concealer and a brush, I'm just cleaning up under my eye and creating almost a little wing. With a brown eyeliner, I'm taking that and running it inside my eye. Lastly, I'm going to curl and apply mascara on my lashes. I'm also applying mascara on my lower lashes. And this is the completed look. I think it turned out really pretty. This eye look is actually very universal for many different eye colors. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!